Welcome fam. Woke up tight in your hips, lower back stiff, hamstrings pulling every time you move? This isn't just soreness, it's your body asking for space. Let's clear it out and step into freedom. Let's hit the mat. Step your right foot forward, drop your back knee and gently pulse into a low lunge. This isn't about hitting a perfect stretch. It's about waking up the deep tension that's been quietly hiding in your hips all week. Slowly rock forward, then ease back just an inch or two. Let your breath lead the movement. I promise this flow reopens your hip flexors, eases spinal compression, and preps your legs for real range. Not just movement, but mobility. Beginners, keep both hands on the floor. Advanced switches, try adding a gentle twist toward the front knee. Hold for 5 more seconds. Do you feel the difference already? Let's switch sides. Same movement, new side, and you'll probably notice this one feels tighter. Most of us are lopsided without realizing it. That's okay. This is where the balance starts. Pulse into it, breathe into the tension, reset your pace. Not just physically, I promise, even 30 seconds of this can reduce tightness through your lower back and boost circulation into your legs. Right after this flow, we go deeper into the hamstrings. Ready? That just unlocked your hips. Now let's lengthen your hamstrings. From your lunge, shift your hips back and straighten the front leg. Keep your hands on either side of your shin and flex your foot toward your face. This isn't about touching your toes. It's about creating space through the whole back of the leg. Feel that pull in your hamstring? That's years of built-up tension finally releasing. I promise this stretch restores flexibility, decompresses your knees, and improves posture from the ground up. Beginners, keep a micro bend in your front knee. Advanced stretches, fold deeper and lengthen through your spine. Can you stay present here without rushing to the next move? Breathe through it. 5 more seconds. And now we shift into the hidden hero of hip health. Sit down, feet flat, knees bent, drop your right knee towards your left foot, then come back to center and alternate like windshield wipers. Keep the movement controlled and grounded. This one might look easy, but it's a game changer. Most people focus on opening the hips externally, but internal rotation is a key to unlocking knee and lower back tension. I promise this will rebalance your hips and prevent the tightness that leads to injury. Beginners, keep the feet wider. Do you feel the deep hip pull yet? If not, slow it down and let gravity do the work. Hold your last rotation and let's stand to finish. From standing, bend into a deep squat, elbows inside your knees. Grab your toes, then straighten your legs into a forward fold. Now squat again and repeat. This is your final reset, combining breath, mobility, and strength. Each rep is like wringing out the last bit of stress in your spine and legs. I promise, this movement fires up your hips, lengthens your hamstrings, and brings blood flow to your brain. Beginners, keep the knees slightly bent. Advanced stretches, try slowing down and holding each end of the stretch longer. Tell me, how many controlled reps can you complete in 60 seconds without rushing? Let's finish with one more rep and let it all go. You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that help reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends, and it's completely free to start. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to begin your free 3-day reset now. Then when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with a full 30-day reset rhythm experience. Same rhythm, a deeper reset. Weekly themes with daily scripture, stretches, journaling, daily support, and most importantly, God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts us into the kingdom.